SWMD B800 double twist bunching machine. Stepless pitch setting by HMI. Bunching machine host. The bunching machine includes housing frame cradle counter meter, lay plate die support bow inverter motor incoming shaft. Capstan traverse motor take-up motor hydromatic lifting and lifting motor. Threading winding machine testing. The machine adopts a single bow system design from the French brand Gordon and is made of carbon fiber material. Advantages: low wind resistance, high speed, low noise, low energy consumption. A single bow system to guarantee a low aerodynamic resistance. In order to have low energy consumption, the bow is realized in carbon fiber with an insertion of hardened steel, which guarantees great sliding and avoids any kind of deviation. Guiding ceramic eyelets, built in high sliding material, are fitted inside the bow on the steel insertion. This type of mounting allows, along with a high sliding degree, to have a perfect configuration of the material, pushed against the bow by the spinning forces generated. Speed up to 4,200 T-min. Guarantee from Shineworld. 1. Electronic pitch or gear pitch available. 2. Each line speed, 2,100 m/min. 3. Round-the-clock local or nearby after-sales service. 4. Sufficient stock and fast delivery lead time.